To buy stock on Charles Schwab, follow these steps. Open an account. If you don't already have one, open a brokerage account with Charles Schwab. You can do this online by visiting their website and filling out the required forms. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your Charles Schwab brokerage account. You can do this via electronic transfer, wire transfer, or by mailing a check. Research stocks. Use the research tools provided by Charles Schwab to research stocks and identify potential investments. You can access market data, analyst ratings, and other information to help inform your investment decisions. Place an order. Once you've identified the stock you want to buy, log into your Charles Schwab account and navigate to the trading platform. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you wish to purchase and specify the number of shares you want to buy. Review and confirm. Review the details of your order, including the stock symbol, quantity, and price. Make sure everything is accurate, then confirm your order to execute the trade. Monitor your investment. After placing your order, monitor your investment through your Charles Schwab account. You can track the performance of your stock and make adjustments to your portfolio as needed.